If you're someone with a smartphone and at the same time you're someone who is looking to make money through your smartphone, then this video is perfect for you. You don't need to make any cash advancements because this method is completely free. All you're going to have to do is download the 3 apps that we're going to show you in today's video, and then you're all set. You can immediately start earning money for yourself by doing basically nothing. Once you do what is asked, all you're left to do is cash out the money that you've made. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. In today's video, we are going to show you 3 apps that you can download on your phone, and that will be the key to your success in finally making money online. All you really need to do for this to properly work and give you the results that you're looking for is to watch this whole video from start to end without skipping any part whatsoever so that you don't miss a single detail. Because if you do miss a detail, then chances are you won't be able to earn as much as you want. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our making money online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. We promise you 3 different apps today that will make you money online in the easiest possible way, and that is exactly what we're going to be showing you. Go ahead and check it out through your default browser and then type in userfeel.com. That is our first website/application for today. This is what you should see, and it says Userfeel is the user testing tool that gives you videos of real users speaking their thoughts as they use your website or app. We are very well aware that this website isn't as popular as you would think it is because we know that you've never heard of this website either until today. So you may have many questions in your head right now, but don't worry because we are going to have all those questions answered in today's video. The way this website works is that it serves as a tool for us to test out brand new websites or applications, because whenever a new website or application is about to launch, the companies that run these websites or apps need people to try it out first before they can exclusively announce that they are releasing it, as if it were a test run, and then they pay these people to do so. And that is how this website works and how we are going to earn. You won't need any skills or experience to do this. You're just going to test websites or applications or whatever is asked of you. This is why we chose to share this website first, because it's such an easy and convenient way to earn money. Apart from that, there are about 130,000 qualified testers all around the world with over 200 happy and satisfied clients, and it is also trusted by 200 organizations. Now, this should reassure you that this website is 100% legit and it isn't playing around. So the more you scroll down, the more information you will find about the website. Like, Userfeel is a multilingual usability and user testing tool. User testing on any device. Features of the website like fast, easy reporting, teamwork, and highlights videos. All the features that we just mentioned have their own descriptions, and you can read all of them if you want to understand more about these features. As you scroll down some more, you will just see more and more information that you can read through once you are on this website, so that you will have a better understanding of the website, and it will be much easier to go around once you're actually about to try this website yourself. So you can read that, and if you do, make sure that you read it well so that you won't have any misconceptions. And if you do have any misconceptions, then make sure you watch this whole video, because maybe we can clarify all of those for you. Now go ahead and scroll down the most bottom part of the website and look under testers, and then proceed to click on Get Paid to Test. You will then be brought to this page where you'll say that it says become a tester. But before we continue on applying, we want you to click on frequently asked questions. As you can see here, the website claims that they pay $10 per test. Each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes and is completed with your home computer or smartphone. So just imagine doing 5 tests a day, then you will already earn $50. And what if you decide to take 10 tests in a day? Then you immediately make $100. It's really all in your hands. If you missed it, the other best thing is that if you do not have a laptop, then you can do this on your phone and vice versa. So even for devices that you have, this website isn't strict on that. So make sure that you scroll down and read more of the information on this page, because it is especially important that you read through this whole web page, because this is where you're going to be able to actually learn how to effectively do this job and actually earn your desired pay. So let's go back to the sign up page, and then once you are here, they will ask you for some of your personal information that you will need to fill up to be able to successfully apply as one of the testers. So go ahead and provide your first name, last name, your email address twice, your country of residence, your birth year, password twice, of course. Then go ahead and proceed to fill up your payment method. Make sure you have PayPal, because so far this is the website's only payout method. And if you've been following our channel for a while, then we are sure you have a PayPal account already, because we've mentioned a lot of times how great it is to have an account of your own, and it's how you get paid in most of our methods. So make sure you have a PayPal account. Choose PayPal as your payment method and then input your PayPal email. Once that is done, you then have to fill up your demographic profile and just proceed to provide your gender, native language, fluently spoken languages, family status, children status, web experience, and then go choose your devices available for testing. Remember, in this part right here, try and check as many as you can, because the more devices you have, then chances are the more chances you will be given, since they can trust that you can try it on multiple devices, so don't forget that. This last part right here is optional, so even if you don't choose to answer this part, there's no problem with that. You can then accept the terms of use and privacy policy. And if you are able, also agree to testing adult websites, because that will add to more testing websites for you as well. But that's only if you are willing to do so. Once that is all complete, double check first before you continue so that you don't miss anything. And once that's all done, go ahead and click apply for tester. Once you've applied, all you need to do is wait until they email you that you've passed. And then once you receive that email, you can start testing and start earning right away. It's as easy as that. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Also, comment down below about what you think about today's video and if you love it. Now let's continue. Let's move on to our second website. So open a new tab and then proceed to type in honeygain.com. This is what you should see on your screen. It says, passive income effortlessly. With Honeygain, you can make money by simply sharing your internet. Start earning now. Once you scroll down into the page more, you will then see more information about the website. So if you have any concerns, like maybe security concerns or anything of the sort, then you can read this. And it says, earn without compromising security. Honeygain makes sure that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners, and the app never asks for or gains access to the storage of your device. So that should assure you that no personal information will be released, or nothing more personal than the average sign-up details will be asked from you. It's an easy way to earn passive income. Everything is transparent through this website. If you scroll down some more, you will see the 5 steps to Honeygain. First step is to set it up, then run it, let it gather, help businesses, and then get paid. It's as easy as that. If you scroll down again, you will see that you will earn up to $19 every month, which is pretty stable and a good amount, especially for those beginners. Then you'll see the factors that affect your earnings, which you should make sure of before anything else. Over here, you'll see some reviews to assure you that Honeygain is 100% legit. There are no hidden agendas to this website except for what it actually is showing you and asking you to do. You can trust this website completely and we can vouch for that. So make sure that you try this out as well. For our last website for today, open a new tab and go ahead and type in moneyapp.org. This is what you should then see on your screen once you type that in. It says complete simple offers and earn money. This is probably the best app in our opinion. You can download this app on your mobile device, and how this app works is that you earn credit, you cash out, and then you enjoy your money. They have their own descriptions that you can read through once you test this out, so make sure you read through them so you can better understand this website's mechanics and earn effectively. So make sure that you try this app as well. Make sure to try all 3 apps so that you can get the most out of your working time and earn as much money as possible. You can do all 3 together and you only need a little time from your day to do so. So what are you waiting for? And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed, and we will see you in the next one.